Good morning, little ones. Children, yesterday we learned all about different birds. So let's go back to our bird sanctuary and get to know about the remaining birds. On completion of our visit to the bird sanctuary, I will solve the worksheet that I gave you yesterday. And then I have a surprise for you. Children, let's have a look at the remaining birds in our bird sanctuary. Children, have you ever seen this bird before? Well, it is a hen. Hens are female birds and they lay eggs. They are usually seen in different shades of red, black and brown. The female hens don't have a large comb on their head like the male cocks do. Hens eat insects, grains and plants. They are often seen in coops. hen को हिंदी में मुर्गी कहते हैं. Our next bird is a bird that flies high up in the sky. It is the eagle. Eagles are large, powerfully built birds with very good eyesight. They have large hooked beaks. The main food of the eagle is fish, but they eat birds, small animals and snakes too. They are mostly dark brown in color. Eagle को हिंदी में चील कहते हैं. Our next bird is a teeny weeny cute little sparrow. Sparrows are brown in color and they have very short beaks. They make their nest in people's home, buildings, etc. Their eggs are small and spotted. Sparrows eat grains and seeds. Sparrow को हिंदी में चिड़िया कहते हैं. Our next bird is our national bird. It is the peacock. Peacocks are very beautiful birds and they love to dance in the rain. They eat fruits, grains and meat too. Peacocks cannot fly very high. Peacock को हिंदी में मोर कहते हैं. Our last bird is a woodpecker. The woodpecker has a very strong beak. They keep pecking their beaks into the bark of trees to extract insects and build their nests. They have a very long tongue and sharp claws. They eat fruits and nuts. Woodpecker को हिंदी में गठफोड़वा कहते हैं. Children, I have the solved worksheet and I hope what you have done is as shown on the screen. Now let's go through it and check what you have done is right or wrong. The first name, crow, has to be joined to the blackhead. Let's go on to the next name, which is pigeon. The pigeon has to be joined to the red-eyed bird. The next name is parrot. We have seen that the parrot has a curved beak. So the parrot has to be joined to the curved red beak. Now, owl has to be joined to the picture of the bird with two big eyes. And last, we have the duck, which has to be joined to the web feet. Children, I hope you have done it correctly and enjoyed doing this worksheet. Now it's time for some fun. Are you ready, children? You have to join me if you want to enjoy it even more.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a duck, E-I-E-I-O, with a quack quack here, quack quack there, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a parrot, E-I-E-I-O, with a squat squat here, squat squat there, here squat, there squat, everywhere squat squat. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a crow, E-I-E-I-O, with a caw here, caw there, here caw, there caw, everywhere caw. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a peacock, E-I-E-I-O, with a tehu here, tehu there, here tehu, there tehu, everywhere tehu. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had a sparrow, E-I-E-I-O, with a chip here, chip there, here chip, there chip, everywhere chip. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
So that's all for today, children. Hope you enjoyed yourself in the bird sanctuary. Bye. Keep smiling.